In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome even when there's no visible Customize button. Customizing your browser can really make your browsing experience more enjoyable and tailored to your personal preferences. Whether it's changing the theme, selecting dark or light mode, or adjusting some other visual elements, it's all possible with just a few simple steps. First, let's launch Google Chrome. Once you have the browser open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is often referred to as the menu icon or More Options. Go ahead and click on that. This menu provides a wide range of options and settings, but don't worry, we're only interested in a few of them today. Now that you have the drop-down menu open, look for the Settings option and give it a click. This area is your control center for all things Chrome, allowing you to tweak the browser until it looks and works just the way you want. Once inside the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several categories, among them, Appearance. Click on Appearance. This section is specifically dedicated to how everything looks within your Chrome browser. Now that you're in the Appearance settings, you have several options to explore and adjust. Let's begin with Themes. You can either choose a theme from the Chrome Web Store, allowing for great personalization, or opt for a simple color change using the built-in themes. By changing the theme, you can make your browser reflect your style or mood, giving it a fresh look. After themes, you might want to consider toggling between dark and light modes. Depending on your preference or the time of day, switching between these two can comfort your eyes. If you are someone who spends a lot of time staring at a screen during nighttime, the dark mode might be particularly beneficial. These settings can instantly change the appearance of your browser, making it more customized to fit your taste. And there you have it, a new, personalized browsing environment with just a few clicks. Feel free to explore the rest of the appearance settings to see what other enhancements or changes you might want to make. Experimenting is part of the fun, and you can always return to the default options if needed. Hopefully, this has been helpful, and you're now all set to enjoy your personalized Google Chrome browser. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.